kuongezea ingine step ingine. Ndio mwenye anakuja kukulezi sasa ikuwe rahisi kwake kuongezea ile ambacho ulikuwa nacho. Kwa hivyo siku ya leo ni siku ya
sasa kama community mnaweza jiorganize instead of kwenda huko mbali. Unapata Africans wapi? Karibu. Sio?
Hawa viongozi
okay.
If we go clean energy, then to a great extent we manage that aspect, because one of the critical things is to conserve the environment. Then you have to provide alternatives to the community, and LPG is one of the alternatives to ensure that there is no destruction of the forests for people to use, the trees for charcoal and for firewood. It's not an initiative that is stopping anytime soon. From here we'll be looking at Nakuru, because Nakuru we have our installation there, our depot. We'll be looking at Eldoret, we'll be looking at Kisumu, and we'll be looking at even going back to Mombasa.
Because with the transition of their mind shift of what they are used to as the normal cooking energy, now with the clean energy, with gas, and they will now start saying and seeing the importance of having Afrigas or gas in their houses when they are cooking.
Kama wanakijiji viwandani tumefurahia sana kwa kutuokolea, kwa sababu asilimia kubwa ya watu wanatakaga hii gas ama anatakaga hii, lakini hatutaweza kununua.